Alright, that's fucking the video, and here is Societe. So with this offer that I'm going to talk about, most of you or some of you are already on it, okay? So I'll just give you the little update that I have for you, and then also those of you who are new, I'll just explain to you whether you can also register, because with this one it comes with terms and conditions, So yeah, that's it. I'll just explain for those of you already on the offer, and then also for new ones as well. So if you're new, just subscribe and then give me a like. Charlie, give me a like, because if you don't give me a like, we are not starting this video. Like before we start. Alright, so about this offer, okay, which is the free call offer, it's available for some few people, okay. And as I just said, those of you already on it, this is the update for you. If you were buying like 3 or 4 days before, you will notice that it is not going through. Now this is the information that I have for you. I know most of you are not in my Telegram group, so I have to just come out and then tell you or give you the update, okay. So the update right now is that we just try to just buy the call time, okay, on the offer, okay. So you know the code already, which is the *1848 hash. The code is *1848 hash. When you just that, when you just proceed, those of you know who already know it, you just proceed, you'll be able to buy the call bundle, okay. So it is working right now. And those of you who bought it, okay, the issue is that the core bundle, okay, the core bundle that you bought will come, okay. I cannot give you the date, but people are giving me feedback that they are receiving theirs. So wait for yours. Surely you receive yours in your account, okay. So your money is not gone, you receive it, just that it will take time. You all know the issue right now we have on our internet service providers. Even the network are slow, okay. And even I just posted a video on that one, on how you can just increase it as well, okay. So check in the comment section and you can just get that one, okay. And if you have any issue on the offer, check in the comment section, and then yeah, hit me up on WhatsApp or just join my Telegram group. I'll just give you updates, and then you can just even reach me out right there, okay. So for everything about that one, for those of you already want it, check in the comment section, check the description of the video for everything. Now those of you who are new to it, this is an offer on MTN only, okay. So subscribe and then like the video for me, and then let's talk more about this. So this is an offer on MTN only, and it is for those of you who are on Momo, okay. And if you don't have Momo, you can even register this offer, and then someone will use his or her Momo account and then buy it for you, okay. So whether you have it or not, you can just register. But if you have Momo, it will be very simple. No need for you to be calling someone to be doing it, and then the person will be just bluffing up on you, okay. So yeah, that's it. That's one thing. So the offer is only MTN, and then need mobile money, okay. And another thing is that it's not for everyone, it is for just few people, okay. And then this offer that I'm talking about is called AFA Bundle, and AFA is All Farmers Association, okay. So if you're a farmer or if you fall within the category of farming, okay, so as you see on the screen, I've put the categories on the screen. If you fall in within that category, you can just register AFA Bundle, okay, or AFA. You can just register that offer, okay. And what this offer comes with is that, please like the video, okay. It comes with a lot of offers, like you will get 220 minutes for 6 Ghana cedis, 220 minutes for 6 Ghana cedis, 200 for MTN to MTN, and 20 minutes for other network, okay. And then with this offer, you get it for 6 Ghana cedis, and it will expire after 1 month. So let's say 1 month, and then you still have, let's say 20 minutes or 30 minutes. That 30 minutes or 20 minutes will be deducted from your account. You have to buy again, okay. And with this offer, you can just buy the 6 cedis today, you use it today you can just buy another one. So yeah, it's very good, okay. And then another thing that you should also know is that it comes with free call offer, and they just do this because they want to help farmers to at least reach more people, okay. So if you register and then the person doesn't fall within the category, and then you call that person, that 220 minutes that you bought for 6 Ghana cedis, the deduction will affect that one, okay. And if let's say you register, I also register, and then you call me or I call you, every time that we call ourselves, that call will be free, okay. So know that it is for only farmers. That is why it is free, you understand. So only people who fall within the category who can enjoy that free call, okay. So if you don't fall within the category, that's when the 220 minutes that you bought, okay, that's when you make call, it will be deducted. After 1 month, you still have, it will just be deducted from your account, okay. So yeah, that's it. And what again? you have any question as well, leave it in the comment section. Okay, I will do diligently and then answer as well. Okay, and then with this AFA bundle, okay, let me just add the code and then show you more about the code. Okay, um after your registration, as I said, check in the comment section registration. Okay, and then you can just hit me up for registration. Okay, but we will need some details. Okay, so let me talk about some of the things that we will need for registration. After that, I will go on to how you can just buy the AFA bundle and then how you can just use it. Okay, so yeah, looking at the AFA bundle. Okay, for you to just register, as you just hit me up, I will ask of these details. I'll ask of your name, as I'll ask of, your full name. Okay, your full name on your Ghana card or your voters card, and then also your date of birth, and then I will also ask of your location, and then also your occupation. Whether you fall within the category. So wherever that you fit within the category. If you don't fall within the category, please ignore this. Don't contact me for registration. You see, you should allow them to just enjoy this, so that at least if there is another offer or someone wish to bring an offer for you guys who are into teaching, or although you can be a teacher and then still you can be a farmer. Okay, some people are farmers at the same time doing another thing, so it doesn't really mean that you should be working in the working only as a farmer. Okay, I can me for instance, I do this and then also farming as well. So if you guys remember the last time I posted a video with this one and then I showed you even me carrying cocoa, so I'm a farmer. Okay, so you can be doing farming and then any other job. Okay, so you let us know your occupation, what you do in the farming sector. Okay, yeah, and then you can just get registered, and then you also give us your phone number that you want to use for the registration. Okay, yeah, so when you just give us those details, okay, within a day you will be registered. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then talking about how you can just buy the offer. Okay, just go to your dialer. So when you just dial the code *1848#, okay, when you just dial the code *1848#, and then you just call the code. When you call the code, you can see we have buy AFA bundle. Okay, and then we have 2 notification. Buy AFA bundle will really give you option to continue to buy the offer, and then 2 will show you the core bundle that you have. Okay, the 220 minutes that you bought, how much left, and then when it will expire. Okay, so as you see on the screen, everything is there for you to just see how it works. Okay, so you can see your AFA no data bundle was no data bundle, okay, was last activated on this date. It was success, and then check your current AFA balance in your MTN account. So when you just do the AFA, you will see it in your balance. Okay, you see everything right there. So with the code again, and then now let's go to the one to just check for other offers on the AFA. Okay, so we just go to 1, we have the AFA bundle, and then we have AFA plus data bundle. Okay, and then we have 3 bundle for others. So if in case, as I just started this video, I told you guys someone can just buy the offer for you through their Momo account. Okay, so the person will count to 3 and then enter your phone number and then buy it from their Momo account for you. Okay, and then let's go to the 1, which is AFA bundle. Okay, so you can see the package gives you 200 minutes for on net, which is MTN to MTN, and then 20 minutes off net, which is to other networks. Okay, and then 50 SMS for 30 days. As I said, just 1 month. Okay, for that 6 Ghana cedis. When just go to 1 to confirm, it will then ask or give you a pop-up requesting your Momo pin, and then you enter your Momo pin and then you receive it in no time. Okay, now let's go to the other one to just check. Okay, let's go to the second one, which is AFA plus bundle. Okay, so the AFA plus bundle 2, when you just go there, you can see for yourself. Okay, we have the package gives you 140 minutes, okay, on net, 20 minutes off net, and CUJ 50 SMS. Okay, and then 150 megabytes for 30 days. So with this one you get 150 megabytes, and then with the minutes you get 140 instead of 200. So this is just like a mashup. And let me say this is an offer on MTN. Okay, and then it is legit, it is not illegal. It was an offer that has been approved by MTN. Okay, so the only thing is for only farmers and then also their associates. Okay, so yeah, If there's anything that I want to know as well, please let it be in the comment section. I will answer you. And then check in the comment section, and then you can just contact us, join our Telegram channel for more updates as well. We are out of here.